Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and let's today learn how to make an age-old home remedy for cough or cold, which is called as Besan Ka Sheera. And this tastes yummy and like a dessert, so kids will love to have this. And on the other hand, it will help them get rid of cough or cold as well. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in and see how to make this Besan Ka Sheera. In a pan, I'm adding ghee. The list of all the ingredients are mentioned in the description box. You can have a look later. After adding ghee, I'll add besan or chickpea flour. This needs to be well mixed and on a very low flame. You will have to roast it until it leaves a very nice aroma. Keep mixing it well. You can see that the ghee and besan or chickpea flour has come together and formed paste sort. So this would be the consistency if we are adding lots of ghee. And once done, let's add other ingredients. Cardamom powder, pepper powder, and turmeric powder. These are all included in very tiny bit, so it would not harm the taste of your dessert. Mix again and roast it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, we'll add milk or water. Milk is best. Later, we'll add Jaggery powder. You can sweeten it using coconut sugar, date syrup, palm jaggery, anything, or just a plain sugar as well. We have used organic jaggery powder here. The link to buy it would be given in the description. Again, you can check it there. Keep stirring it well. This is a real-time video here. You can see that it thickens when you keep stirring. A whisk is better because it would avoid any lumps formation, and as we have added milk to the paste, so it's good to use a small whisk. So here you can see that it is thickening and becoming creamy. So this is a real age-old remedy which has the best results for cough or cold. Initially, I was very doubtful how can a dessert cure your cough or cold, but it does. And it's best to have it twice a day, in the morning after breakfast and before going to bed for better results. You can even add dry fruits powder or roasted dry fruits to enhance and give it a good dessert look as well. So this simple Besan Ka Sheera is ready. This can be given to 8 months and above babies without jaggery, of course. For adults, it suits best as well. So anybody having a running nose can have this, and it really gives instant energy. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more recipes which are baby, kid and family friendly. Take care of yourself till then. Bye-bye.